Well, why don't we continue with our theme of China, and that's going to be soybeans. I've been really talking mostly about lean hogs in China this whole time because of what's been happening with the tariffs. But boy, oh boy, doesn't tariffs feel like that was about a million years ago? We had a private forecaster come out and raise Brazilian bean production from whatever the government had, about 125 million metric tons, up to 128, about 5% higher. That's negative news. That's weighed heavy on the bean market. Actually, not that heavy, but beans are down today on the back of that fact of that news. Now, another double whammy is that beans are going to get caught up in this wash of what's happening in the equity markets. Yesterday was a great day, but we've given basically all those gains back as I sit in this chair right now. So beans are going to get caught up in that wash. That's what happens to these things. It doesn't have to be a stock. It could be a bean stock, right? So that's the problem. Beans having a double whammy situation where we've got a private forecaster raising Brazilian bean production, and at the same time, we've seen a big sell-off in the equity markets. Beans kind of getting buffeted around with that negative news. So that sets us up for, again, I always say, or not always, but I'd like to say that when you really can't see a clear picture, sometimes it's nice to kind of go over to the technical side of things and try to eke out some sort of map there. And I would say that if you're a bull, we've got that 50, 100, and 200-day moving average still well above. So that's going to be something that we're going to have to shoot for and kind of start to make some good progress at so that you might feel a little bit more comfortable about dipping your toe back in that water. So it'll be interesting to see how those react, and obviously they'll come down over time if we stay down here. But let's watch those technical levels, 50, 100, and 200-day moving average here in the short term to kind of try to give us a better picture about beans in the short term and maybe even the medium term as well.